Hello everybody. We're going to follow on from what we discussed yesterday, which was about working on improving. So what we're going to look at today is what I said about separating like your prep and your performance aspects of your day. So this morning when I came in, I did some prep, and the key things in doing my prep were, one, obviously creating ideas, and then two, developing conviction. Then in terms of like performance, once the market opened, it was just about executing on those plans. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and cover what I did this morning, trading spur. So following from what we talked about yesterday, one of my key improvement areas was about what I do during each part of my day. So this morning when I came in prep, I was looking at SPO, and you can see here that the market's traded up last week from this kind of like balance up here, creating a P profile. Yesterday it then went and opened above it, this is cash, and then offered back in, leaving the selling tail here. So this gave me conviction that maybe the market has overdone and that it should test the downside. So the market created this flag, and this is the 30-minute in the Asian session. Just after the European Open, the market came and popped the highs. So because of my prep, I came into the session thinking, all right, all I want to do while the market remains below last week's highs, which are here and here, I'm just looking for a short. So the market popped this, and if we look at it now on the 5-minute, which is up here, when the market came up here, there was really good absorption on the offer, and so I got short in that absorption block, and then playing for this offer down. Now I was looking for a potential break of the flag, however that didn't happen, but that's okay because that left a potential trade for later on in the day, potentially in the US cash session. All in all, this morning was good. I did what I said in terms of developing conviction in my prep and then executing on that conviction rather than questioning it during the session. Then this afternoon, still holding the same ideas in the S&P, I ran into a little bit of trouble, and this is because the market then showed me something that kind of contradicted my idea, and then I wasn't exactly sure how to manage my day and bring that piece of information in real time. And you can see it made me a little bit confused, so let's look over that. The afternoon, however, was a bit harder. One of the things that happened is that the market bid out of the flag that I was talking about from the morning. This doesn't line so well with the market being weak. However, when the market opened, it then did offer, but that offer, the kind of imbalance in the price action wasn't really there. It came down, it then reversed, not resolving the whole flag. Now that confused me a bit, and then I was sort of torn between trying to hold my short bias or whether I look to play for a squeeze and a reversal, at least kind of up to here. So what I find confusing about this is that sometimes when you change your opinion during the market, you kind of like lose your perspective. And so you can see here that the market actually failed to take last week's high or even to properly test it. It stopped 2 ticks short and then it offered. But because I then started thinking about the long, I wasn't really in the right mindset, looking at the market from the right direction to play that trade. And so this is one of the things I struggle with. And after doing a bit of a debrief, I'm thinking now that what I might have to do is just to hold one bias for the session and just stick with that. So looking back at the day, I really improved on some areas this morning. This afternoon presented me with a bit of a challenge of A, staying true to your prep, and then B, staying fluid and updating with market generated information. And I've got to learn to juggle that a bit better, and I'm sure that's something that lots of traders struggle with. Right, everyone, I'll see you tomorrow.